Hi everyone, welcome to today's new release. So today we have the makeup mood kit. So this one is the full boxes here. I did put some silver foil so you guys can see what that looks like. Here it is close up, and there is foil all around the full boxes themselves. And then we have the functional icons with the scripts and icons and like mini checklist boxes here. This is a very neutral kit for those of you who like neutral kits. I just figured I would bring out a few of the neutral kits and everything. That way you guys have some options before I go into a ton of pastels for spring and, you know, bright colors for summer. So yeah, I figured I would just do a ton of neutral kits for like the beginning of the year. So stay tuned if you like pastel and bright colors, because those are coming. But yeah, this one is the functional like boxes sheet with the appointment stickers, bill dues, also with the foil accents and things. Your checklist boxes with the heart checklists. Then you have your functional deco. This comes in the deluxe version. Everything else before this is in the essential kit. Lastly, in the deluxe kit, the washi and dates sheet. So this one is what that looks like, and here is a closer look at the foil on here. This one just has like a foil everywhere. So yeah, that is the makeup mood kit. This is available now in the shop. Check the links down in the description. You can still get $2 Tuesday, by the way, if you go to Etsy. This kit should be in the shop as well on Etsy. That is the makeup mood kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye everyone.